Hi, my name is Vladislav Belogrudov and I present here software developed in my project Tenant Behavior-Driven Scheduler in OpenStack. So the project uses VirtualBox software to set up virtual OpenStack cloud. So we have here three virtual hosts. One host is cloud controller and at the same time is computing node, and two others are just compute nodes. Currently this virtual cloud runs 12 virtual machines, so we can see it here. So the system for scheduling consists of three parts. So it's data gathering part, which runs on each host, data analysis, and VM replacement script. So VM placement or VM balancing script runs data analysis script, and after getting results from it, it makes necessary movements of VMs to specified hosts. So we can see here a cloud controller node. So it has a database for gathering statistics from all other nodes, and the statistics consist of CPU usage by each VM. So we can see the structure of this database and tables. It's quite easy, and we can check what is inside. Okay, we don't take whole database but some part. So here you can see we have virtual machine names, host names, CPU usage, and timestamp. So all scripts are installed in user local bin directory. So each host runs VM start shell script to gather statistics. So it's performed through cron job. So, and in this particular cron tab we have two jobs. One is gathering statistics, and another is doing rebalancing of virtual loads each third day. So it can be tuned for different time periods. So other hosts, they also have the same thing for gathering statistics, and actually statistic gathering is quite tricky in OpenStack, because OpenStack is very abstract framework. It uses abstract tools, libraries, which themselves also kind of abstraction of underlying real hypervisors and processes and so on. So it's not easy to map, for example, CPU usage of VM process to VM name in OpenStack balance. Okay, so we can check that statistic gathering works. Okay, in database you see even number of seconds. Actually, seconds are dismissed in database. So we have a period of 1 minute for analysis of time series. So next thing to check is balancing script. Balancing script, I'll run this by hand, but usually it's run through cron job as well. It can be tuned to specify number of analyzed days back in CPU usage history. So here is by default 3 days, like in data presented in a project report. So it calculates the period of 3 days and runs a script inside to get hints on which VM should be moved to which hosts. So you can see here what commands should run to move those VMs to necessary hosts. Here virtualization overhead is too big, too large, and it will take quite a lot of time to really do this. And instabilities in current release of OpenStack also doesn't allow to do this properly. So we can also run a script which has inside main analysis data analysis algorithms. So we specify start and end of period for data analysis. Currently it works on quite weak host with just 2 GB of memory, so you can see even such weak hardware, virtual hardware, can analyze quite a lot of data. For example, for those 12 VMs we take samples each minute. So for 1 VM per day we have about 15,000 of entries in database. So here you can see pairs of VM name and proposed host to run this VM, so it can be balanced properly. So this is all for this presentation. Thank you very much.